course, you couldn't help but take note of my emphatically traditional opening. I must say, your responding move was nothing if not reflective of your predilection for the tidy and fastidious. See how my response to you begins to lead us towards a classical confrontation. But there's doubt in your mind. What are my true intentions? How will you answer this time? Consistency, predictability, giving rise to patterns. We both know only too well how these patterns leave you vulnerable to attack. You with your wounds, I with mine. Let me paint you a picture. My knights will skirmish. Lanes of power and influence will open to my bishops and rooks. Pawns will naturally be forfeit. I'm even prepared to sacrifice my queen because I assure you, my goal